Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video of Juice Hungry and Thirsty. My name is Olivia Janelle, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be making home fries two different ways in the air fryer. In my previous video, I did show the perfect way on how to cook scrambled eggs with cheese. So if you haven't watched that video, look in the description box below and click the link. Now I took it a step further. Now we're making home fries in the air fryer, savory and also sweet. Whatever mood you're in, whatever preference you prefer. I know you're hungry. So with all of that said, let's get right to it. Through trial and error, I believe I got it down. Peel and cut a sweet potato into cubes and then add it to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, just enough to coat each piece. Add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Slice open 1 vanilla bean and carefully open your pod. Take the knife to scrape out all of the seeds. Then add the vanilla bean seeds to your sweet potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of raw sugar cane. Give your potatoes a thorough mix. Add foil to what you are cooking on, whether it's a rack or a bucket. Add your potatoes to your bucket or rack and make sure each piece is spread out. To make the marshmallow sauce, simply add 1 tablespoon of butter to a pan and then add a handful of marshmallows. Wait until it melts and then drizzle over onto your sweet potatoes. Now, let's make our savory potatoes. Thoroughly wash and dry your potatoes. Cut your potatoes into cubes. In a mixing bowl, add a tablespoon of olive oil to coat. Add 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. This is optional. Mix your potatoes until thoroughly mixed. Add additional seasoning to fully coat your potatoes. On a foil-lined wire rack or bucket, add your potatoes spaced out. Then add to your air fryer at 370 degrees for intervals of 15 minutes for each rack or bucket. And enjoy! So let's taste it. We're gonna try the sweet potato fries with the marshmallow sauce drizzle on top. Oh my goodness, it looks amazing. That is good. This is really good. All of these ingredients that were put on the sweet potatoes are very minimal. They're not overly powering. I can still taste the vanilla. I can still taste the cinnamon. I can still taste a little bit of the sugar. It's a little bit sweet. And also with the marshmallow sauce on top, I mean, who wouldn't like that? It's super good and I strongly recommend. So now let's get to our savory potatoes. They still got a crisp on the outside and then on the inside they're super soft. I love these. I would strongly recommend making these for breakfast, or you can even simply make these anytime you want to. These are my favorite. Those are good. Crispy on the outside, crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. And listen. On the inside they're crunchy. Okay. That's my favorite one. That's why I went with the savory, but I also wanted to make sure that there was also a sweet, because you know when you're cooking you just kind of have the best of both worlds. I know we're not Hannah Montana, but we gotta have the best of both worlds, especially when we're cooking, especially when we're in our own kitchen. With the regular potatoes, I personally put my eggs on top. Either you can have them scrambled, which I do recommend that video. Go into the description box below, click the link and watch that video that I just posted. I always eat that style of potatoes with my eggs. But with the sweet potato fries, you can still enjoy a sweet potato while you're eating French toast, waffles, etc. So you don't have to have the savory while you're eating your French toast or your pancakes. So there's 2 different options right there. Let me know on which recipe you like and what you're going to try down in the comment section down below. These potatoes would be perfect with steak and eggs or just with eggs themselves. These potatoes I completely recommend having these with pancakes, waffles, French toast, because it's sweet and you don't have to go over into the salty side unless you want to, or you can just have these. Now you know which 2 you can have and what you can enjoy. With all of that said, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give this video a like, subscribe. Don't forget to juice me yourself, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Cheers! Now that's some good OJ. I like my sweet potatoes in Florida. Yeah, that's it. Ooh, it's lit. Those sweet potato fries are so good. Wow.